Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create a YouTube channel. It's very simple, let's start. Go to accounts.google.com and tap create account, pop in your details and preferred new email address. Go to YouTube and tap on sign in the top right corner. Select your Google account and enter your password. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select create channel. Enter your name and YouTube handle, and upload a profile photo. This is how you'll appear on the site to others, so you may want to use a brand name and logo here. Tap the Layout tab to customize the following elements of your channel. Add a channel trailer. Pick a featured video for returning subscribers. Add sections to your homepage. If you don't have those pieces ready to go for now, that's totally fine. You can always update this later once you've got some content up and running. Tap the Branding tab to access more customization options. Change your profile picture. Change your banner. Tap on the Basic Info tab to update details like your handle and URL. You can also add links and contact info and write a description of your channel. Okay, now channel is ready for upload video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching.